Hi, I'm Marci Shimoff. I'm the author of the New York Times bestselling books Chicken Soup for the Woman's Soul, Happy for No Reason, and Love for No Reason. And I'm also a featured teacher in the hit film and book The Secret. Now, for many years, I've counted Chris Atwood as one of my dearest friends. And because he's such a great friend, I've had the very good fortune to be able to lean on him for advice and for guidance and feedback on a lot of my business strategies and business programs and plans. And I've even been able to go to him for advice on my personal relationships. And I've found that Chris has the unique ability to see what other people seem to miss. He has this brilliant mind, and he seems to effortlessly be able to come up with strategies and tactics for implementing your best ideas. But along with that, Chris also has a huge heart. And I always feel loved and cared for and supported and safe in his presence, even when we're talking about some vulnerable kinds of things. Now, there are very few people that I would recommend for you to work with when you are going through a turning point in your life. But Chris Atwood is one of those few. If you are fortunate to have the chance, the opportunity to be able to work with Chris, I say grab it. He is a very unique blend of the practical and the spiritual, of the compassionate and the competent. And I promise you that Chris Atwood will be a huge gift in your life.